Hey guys, Steve Good here with the Scroll Saw Workshop. This tutorial is going to be part of the pattern I am releasing called the Family Christmas Tree. You can see it on the screen right now. I will put a link into the Scroll Saw pattern in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching it on the blog, it will be part of the blog post for this pattern. What I am specifically going to do is show you how to create these circular photographs that you can glue onto the ornaments that we attach to this tree. We are going to use a program called Inkscape. It's a free program and you can find it at www.inkscape.org, and again I'll put a link in the description below. The program is available for the PC and the Mac, so you'll be able to use it in either case. Okay, let's move this aside, and we are going to, once we get Inkscape installed and open, we're going to go to File, Import, and what we're going to be doing is we're looking for the photograph that we want to use on our ornament. So any photograph you have on your computer or on your phone, you can copy over to your computer and use it in this program. In this case, I've just got a picture of a girl that I'm going to copy or import into Inkscape. Now what we want to do is we want to create a circle that's the size we need for the ornament we have selected. In this case, I'm using the medium-sized ornament that needs a circle that is 1.75 inches in diameter. So we're going to go over here. We're going to select our Create Circle tool. We're just going to draw a quick circle on there. We're going to go up here to our Pick tool. And over here in the width and the height, we're going to put in 1.75 and 1.75. And that's the size of the circle we need for this particular ornament. There are 4 different size ornaments in this pattern. So in the pattern book itself, I'll show you the size you need for each specific ornament. Okay. We are now going to take our picture with our pick tool selected. We can move it around and we're going to move it underneath the circle. Now if the circle doesn't happen to be on top like it is here, you can select the circle, go to Object and raise to top, and that'll take it to the top. So if you end up finding out that your circle is underneath your picture, that's how you get around that. Now we're going to select our picture with the pick tool. I'm going to hold down the Control key, and that makes the picture resize to scale. So I'm going to hold down the Control key. I'm going to grab this arrow right here with my left mouse button, and I'm going to shrink this thing down and move it until we've got the part of the picture behind the circle that we want. Okay, now we're going to take our pick tool, draw a box around everything. So we've got everything selected. We're going to go up to Object, Clip, Set. That will put the picture in the circle. I'm going to get rid of this picture over here. When you go to print this now, when you go up here to your printer icon or your file print, click on Rendering, click on Bitmap, and set it to 300 dpi, and this will give you the best quality picture. If you render this as a vector, a lot of times the picture gets cropped and it just doesn't work right. So I found selecting Bitmap in your print dialog will make it print correctly. So again, once we get our picture in our circle, we're going to go to our printer dialog. We're going to select Rendering. Let me get this down here in the middle and make sure you can see it. So when it first comes up, you'll be in the General tab. You want to go to the Rendering tab, click on Bitmap, and then I like to set it at 300 dpi. Click Print, and it will print this circle out at 1.75 inches that you can attach to the ornament. Now again, there's 4 different ornament sizes in this pattern, so you'll have to create the circle depending on the size you need. In this case, we created the circle that was 1.75 inches in diameter. Some of the others are 1.25 inches, 1.375 inches, 1.5 inches. So you just select the size circle you need. Okay, that's all there is to it. I thought you might want to give this a try. Again, this is Inkscape. It's a free program. It's really a nice program to have to create some simple scroll saw patterns and stuff, so you might want to keep it on your computer. I'm Steve Good. Thanks for being here with me at Scroll Saw Workshop. Catch you next time.